How to burn designs into woods using Cricut. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, search and select an image you want to use. Step 2. If you already have a design in place, upload the image to Design Space. Step 3. Grab the wood you want to burn the design into and measure it. Step 4. Next, resize the design to make sure that it fits into the material. Step 5. Once you're done making the changes, select a design, right-click and select Attach. Step 6. When you're ready, click on Make It, select on Matte and click Done. Step 7. In the matte preview screen, click and move around the design to make sure that it fits, then click Continue. Step 8. Wait for it to locate your maker and for the presets to load, then select Premium Vinyl. Step 9. Then set the pressure to More from the drop-down menu. Step 10. Place the vinyl into the standard grip mat with the shiny side up. Step 11. Press the up and down arrow buttons to load, then press the Start button to begin cutting. Step 12. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat. Step 13. Next, weed out the designs carefully, which can take a while and requires patience. Step 14. Grab transfer tape and cut it to size, remove the backing, apply it to the design and smooth it over. Step 15. Smooth the tape over the stencil and remove any bubbles using a scraper tool. Step 16. When the transfer tape is in place, use a scraper tool to transfer the stencil design to the transfer tape by scraping both the transfer and the carrier sheet sides. Step 17. Once done, carefully peel away the carrier sheet from the vinyl. Step 18. Now, place the design on the wood and gently press the vinyl down. Step 19. Make sure that the vinyl and transfer tape are adhered to the wood using a scraper tool. Step 20. Now, remove the transfer tape carefully from the vinyl. Step 21. Grab a glass bowl, measuring cup, ammonium chloride, and thickener. Step 22. Next, wear gloves and protective eyewear, then make the mixture. Step 23. Stir well and let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes or until the water is fully absorbed. Step 24. Using a paintbrush, apply the mixture on all parts of the wood shown through stencil evenly. Step 25. Once everything is covered, let it dry completely, which will take about 10 to 20 minutes. Step 26. Once it's fully dry, carefully peel the vinyl off the wood and use the weeding tool to remove every bit. Step 27. Take the wood outside and apply heat using a heat gun to burn the wood. Step 28. Make sure to move the heat gun continuously all over the design for an even burn result. Step 29. The design will magically appear and burn as it heats up. Step 30. Keep heating the wood until the design turns to the color you want. The longer you apply heat, the more burned and darker it will become. Step 31. Once done, rinse it off in the sink and you're good to go. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.